Yo guys, this is Simplex2 along with
F5 Tornado Gray, Sorquin Clocks,
Those were kind of WX.
and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Grecom PSR-120. And we're also with some Discord friends, so let's put the camera on the tripod and let's open it. Cause why not? I don't even know if it's gonna go on YouTube.
CXP is there.
Oh yeah, CXP.
Harrison County WX and Carolina of me.
Yep.
That's definitely.
Okay, do you have a pair of scissors?
I did.
I'll do it.
Oh, there it is.
Never mind.
That worked.
It's muscle. Antenna?
My muscle. Yeah, I already put the antenna in there. Ah, come on.
Okay.
38.
Yeah, no, I need a
39.
pair of scissors
40.
for that.
Let me go.
I'll do it. I got it.
You got it?
Here. Come on.
Bro,
that works well.
Time for Mega Mind.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Here, hold on.
God.
Let me try. Hold on.
Just use that.
Wait, hold on. He's got a pocket knife. He's got a pocket
That's
knife.
like really,
Hold on.
really good knife.
Oh.
Oh, do you want me to? I know how to knife.
Which battery do we
I know
have?
how to knife. The knife will do knife. I know how to knife.
I know how to knife, guys.
Andrew coming
I
in.
knife all the time. I knife all the time, guys.
You knife all the. Whoa.
Alright.
Not like that. Not like that. Not like that.
Yeah.
Fred Beyer.
Freak, bro.
Fred Beyer.
Why just like?
Yes, Fred Beyer.
It came from.
It's so.
It came from California, so.
California, ma.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Get out of here.
Nah.
Okay, here we go.
Let's
So
go.
now-
Oh, there's a paper.
Yeah, it's a paper. Let's see. Here it is. Oh, that's the order information. And then here, hold on. Let me get the scanner.
You
out.
get it. He gets it, Hilly, not you.
I'm gonna punch you.
Okay, so here is the. Here it is. Here's the scanner, guys.
Yo! That looks sick.
That looks super
No
sick.
blowing out the mic.
Quick. Yes. No.
That looks super sick. Holy
see
crap. Oh, and it comes with a.
crap.
Oh, and it comes with.
Poor Andrew. He's just
There's
like,
the holder. So there's a little holder
Let me
for
hold
it.
it
Look
real
at that. It is 3D printed too, but it'll. Yeah, you can
3D
hold it.
printed.
Wait, that got 3D printed?
Yeah, the holder for it got 3D printed.
Let me. What? Should I press the ball or the button so it should go back in service?
Yeah, well, here I can do it.
I
So
got
here-
you.
His radio boy.
So
I know, boy, 3D printer sweater.
You see, there's a lot of buttons. And then turn, oh, it's got batteries in it. Oh, let's go. It came with a battery cover. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, powering it on. Damn it. Wrong. I was changing the antenna. Really quick, let's just get everything else out of the box. So this is the stock.
record event report. Penny's farted twice today.
Wait, I thought this one came.
Yeah, well, no, I got that as
Oh, wait,
a
comes with a-
aftermarket.
What
This
is that?
This is an aftermarket antenna which extends like that, which I got for it.
Oh, you got it for it. Okay.
Yeah, I got it as a
Here,
separate thing.
You're gonna break it.
Yeah, no, it's supposed. You can put it
Are you
back
supposed
like
to
that.
bend
Well, no, you're not supposed to bend it, but it's fine.
It's
So yeah, this is the stock antenna. Here's the owner's manual,
yours?
and it's huge. And look at this. Look at all this. Holy crap.
Everything down there is mine.
And then, okay, so I guess.
That's massive.
Let's see how the aftermarket looks on this. That looks pretty sick.
Hey, that
Okay,
looks cool.
3, 2, 1, powering it on.
Orange
wow.
light saying,
Welcome.
welcome, scanner,
Are these 4
Scanner.
stars?
Yes, they are.
Damn.
cheese and rice.
Okay, so now, okay, so here's the weather alert, and then I wonder if he has any counties programmed to it. How do you do alert?
I think
Priority button. Where's the priority button? Because it's literally just a handheld Pro 405.
I'm pretty sure you go to function.
Yes, function WX. Yeah, function like that.
There
Yeah.
you go.
Okay, and
Yeah.
now apparently these are supposedly super loud. So let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh wow, they're loud.
That's like a Pro 405.
There's louder than that. Wow, that's
Yeah.
loud. Well, actually, you know what? Here, we'll do the whole thing. So that's 1050. Warning.
Wait, that's 1050?
Yeah, it has 1050 too.
Wow.
All the scanners have them.
I never knew that. Well, because you already don't do any 1050 stuff.
Yeah,
Well,
this
during,
is
like,
really
continuation
cool.
clip, an SVR continuation.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't do it on regular same standby mode. It's if you're scanning on another band or something, you can have it as alert in the background.
Okay.
No, bro.
And then, so this is your, and then yeah, this is your squelch knob.
What?
This is your squelch knob right here, to turn the squelch on and off. And then to take it out of standby, you just press function WX again.
What is the function? These are 4 stars.
Yeah, these are 4 stars.
Dude, it's probably got like 130 stars in here.
These are really rare. These are
Plus all
cool.
of our arches in here.
So yeah, here's
Today is my birthday, guys.
yes, happy birthday.
That's Nice on package.
And then, yeah, and then this comes with, there's the holder. And then you can get, and it also came with this thing too. And it also came with a USB port so you can program it with your computer. You can program this with your computer.
That's not getting something. Wait, where's your 991? The red logo's over there.
Right there, right there.
I'm curious. Let's see how new the one. I want to see what the date code is.
The date. I think the belt. I'm telling you, I'm gonna shut up.
That doesn't tell me. That doesn't tell me.
Maybe it's in the battery department.
I bet. Oh wow. Oh, are those rechargeable?
Are those rechargeable?
Yeah, that is. How do you know?
I mean, I don't know.
Wait, let's see. Yes, let's go! Oh man, this seller's a goat, bro. He included the garage.
Oh, your garage is so loud.
He included rechargeables with it because you can charge these with
Heck yeah, look at that.
You can charge it with the plug.
Oh hell yeah.
So yeah, all right. Well, I guess that'll do it. That's the unboxing. I guess so. This was the unboxing of the PSR-120. I guess I'll see you guys later.
Wait, names?
I mean, we don't have to list names. But all right, yeah. I mean, I guess we can list the names here. I was Simplex 2.
F Fighter Ago, whose birthday is today.
Sorkin Clocks. Those were kind of WX.
And this was the and Andrew. This guy. this goof. And then yes, and all of our friends on Discord. And this was the unboxing of the GRE or Grecom or whatever the hell you want to say. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. PSR 120. I'll see you guys later. Adios.